Hey friends, love cooking outside? If so, I have an easy and delicious recipe for grilled lemongrass pork chops. Join me in this short video and I'll walk you through the steps. For the ingredients have pork chops, lemongrass, shallot, garlic, soy sauce, fish sauce, honey, sesame oil, and ground black pepper. Let's start by cleaning the pork chops. Transfer the pork pieces to a medium baking sheet or large plate. On each side of the meat, sprinkle half a tablespoon salt and drizzle half a tablespoon white vinegar. Gently rub the mixture onto the pork pieces. The salt is a natural soap and the vinegar helps to neutralize any odors. Rinse each pork chop under cold running water. Pat dry with paper towels. Transfer the pork chops into a large dish. For the lemongrass, cut a section about 6 to 7 inches long. Coarsely chop the lemongrass. Cut the shallot into smaller pieces. Cut the garlic cloves in half. Transfer the shallots, garlic, and lemongrass into a small food processor. Pulse in the food processor until the ingredients are minced. Add soy sauce, fish sauce, honey, this is just 1 tablespoon, sesame oil, and ground black pepper. Pulse the ingredients again until well combined. Coat both sides of the pork chops evenly with the marinade. Let the pork chops marinate for at least 1 hour. For the best flavor, marinate overnight. Remove from the fridge at least 30 minutes before cooking. Heat the grill, making sure it's hot. Transfer the pork chops onto the hot grill. When grilling pork, I like to use a meat thermometer to eliminate any guesswork. It's recommended that pork be cooked to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. These pork chops are about ½ inch thick, so I grill them 5 to 6 minutes per side. Once the meat is done, brush the remaining 1 tablespoon honey on top of the chops. The honey makes the first bite sweet, and then you'll taste the savory goodness. Transfer the pork chops onto a large plate and then let rest for 5 minutes. Top the lemongrass pork chops with some scallion oil and they're ready to enjoy. Make an amazing rice plate by serving the grilled lemongrass pork chops with broken rice, egg meatloaf, carrot and radish pickles, more scallion oil, and fish sauce dipping sauce. Please see my channel for these accompanying recipes. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.